white of the evening glow. Golden embers softly flow, whispers carried through the breeze, dancing high among the trees. Old guitar in mellow tone sings a truth we've always known. Hearts aligned in simple grace, time slows down in this embrace. Feel the rhythm in your soul tonight, let it rise into the fading light. Sacred smoke ascending to the sky, carrying dreams we can't deny. Through the night our spirits blend on this road that never ends. Sacred smoke, so pure and free, tells the truth of you and me. Barefoot on the dusty ground, roots of life in every sound, echoes from a distant past teach us love is built to last. Gentle laughter, eyes that shine, moments lost beyond all time. In the haze we come alive, simple joys we can't disguise. Hear the heartbeat of the earth below, in its rhythm we will grow. Sacred smoke ascending to the sky, carrying dreams we can't deny. Through the night our spirits blend on this road that never ends. Sacred smoke, so pure and free, tells the truth of you and me. No chains can hold this wandering flame, no fear can put our hope to shame. From the ashes we arise, freedom living in our eyes. Sacred smoke ascending to the sky, carrying dreams we can't deny. Through the night our spirits blend on this road that never ends. As the morning softly breaks, every breath a chance we take, sacred smoke begins to fade, but the love will always